What is up, everybody? I hope you're having a great morning. I know that I am, and the thing I wanted to show you today here on Gearheaddaily, as always, I am Eric, and I want to bring you something interesting, unusual, fun, or just sometimes enraging in the car world. And today we have the world's most expensive new car to be released onto the market, and it's no shock to anybody that it is a Bugatti. And if you're not familiar, Bugatti is a French company, and they've been around for a long time. And you can see the photo here of one of their old Bugatti cars, which, reminds me of the Ace and Gary car from SNL, if you ever see those. So it's the ambiguously gay duo group. It always reminds me of the Bugatti from yesteryear. But they've been making a lot of fancy new cars lately. And I'll be honest, the closest thing that I will ever get to a Bugatti is the Lego guy that you see in front of me here, which is my W16 Chiron Lego model. And that's as close as I'm ever going to get. But just keep in mind, never meet your heroes, because oftentimes they don't quite live up to the hype or the expectation. Now, Bugatti has come out with this car, which I'll read you a little bit, but looks just stunning, absolutely amazing. The design on this is top notch. I mean, it better be for $18 million. I've seen everything between 18 and 12 million, but let's kind of go through it a little bit. Okay, it's stealth-like creation. Yeah, it's called the Voiture Noire, which, if you don't speak French, means black car. Or in literal translations, the car black. But, Europeans, they switch it around. So this literally means the black car. That's all it means. So they put virtually no thought into the name whatsoever. But, for $18 million, who cares? You call it, you just don't call me late for dinner. Hey, ba-doom-tsh, thank you very much. I'll be here all week. But yeah, the all-black motor combines the thunderous performance of Bugatti's existing hypercar with the styling of their 1936 57, which I think they're referring back to this car. I'm not seeing it. So, yeah, sorry. Nope, not at all. It's black. That's the only common denominator. It has four wheels, windshield, steering wheel. That's about it. But sorry, they don't resemble each other at all. However, it's a beautiful car. Don't get me wrong. It's flippin' amazing. Which translates to the black car. Yeah, there we go. Has been built for one seriously wealthy Bugatti customer only. And it's just to celebrate their 110-year history. Now, let's be honest, the Chiron and the other Bugatti cars are great in a straight line and going fast. However, these cars can't corner for squat. So they are rolling art pieces. If you could take an Andy Warhol out and go show it to the world and drive it around, do on a little rolling tour, that's basically what you're doing here. Who knows exactly how crazy this thing's going to be as far as performance goes. But if you, this is the part that kind of gets me a little bit, is look at the back. I'm not really sure what's going on with the 6 tailpipes. Although, so to be fair, it does have a W16 motor, so I'll give it a little bit of leeway. But I'm a little confused as to why the wheels kind of blend into the tire itself. Is that painted on? I know it's a render, but it's a little confusing. However, it does look absolutely amazing. So, no complaints from me at all. Looks beautiful. The renderings look good. Not bad. So the prices are a little bit different, because I've seen 18 million and I've seen 12 million. Here's one that we actually see, and we can start seeing the tire. It looks like painted on lettering for the tires themselves. So that's a little feels a little chintzy. I get what they're going for. It's some sort of aesthetic to make the wheels look bigger, but sorry. Yeah, the car black is literally what it means. It pays homage to that Atlantic. Again, I'm fine, but they don't look anything similar, and nor did they share any parts other than the little Bugatti logo on the front, and I bet you even that's been upgraded. So, yeah, a feast of aesthetics. What you're buying is a rolling art piece. That's what this is. There's nothing beyond that. It's probably going to go fast, and it's going to go fast in a straight line. But you're buying art. Let's just call this for what it is. It's art. It's amazing art, and it's something that you can drive, and it's going to be awesome. But this is not something that, you know, I'm never going to afford it. I mean, none of us in our lifetimes are going to be able to afford something like this. That said, though, you know, it's not something that I'm really super interested in. I like it. It's cool. It's pretty. Here we are. The wheels and tires situation. For $18 million, you really 12 million, whatever it is, 2 million. You think you could have, I don't know, tried a little harder on that one. That one kind of rubs me the wrong way, but if that's the only flaw this thing has, whatever. Some of the comments are hilarious. And if you remember from The Onion, screw it, we're doing 5 blades. We're the vanguard of the shaving country, and we're going to do 5 razors. That was pretty good. 6, in reference to these 6 tailpipes in the back, though. Here is the most expensive car. The stickers on the tires are Stance Nation. Some of these stuff is hilarious. So anyway, if you've made it to the very end, I really appreciate it. I've had a lot of fun. This is cool. It is a cool car, and I really hope to see it one day. Probably not, because there's only one of one. Maybe we'll take it on tour. That would be cool. But to be fair, you know, it's a sweet car. And if you've made it to the end, again, appreciate it. Feel free to leave a message on the bottom or subscribe or do whatever it is you need to do. Because I've hit 4,000 subscribers, which, by the way, thank you. Appreciate it for everybody who has subscribed and hit the little bell button or like or whatever it is. I don't even know what they make you do anymore. I'm probably going to do a giveaway later, and I'm not sure exactly how or when or what I'm going to plan on doing with that, but I've got a bunch of leftover books. If that's something you guys would like, let me know, and I can give away a couple books. I'll send them out, but just as an appreciation from me to you. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one, and good luck.